Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a fascinating yet concerning topic, the UK's scientific research landscape and the potential impact of funding cuts. You might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, let's start with a mind-blowing discovery that put British physics on the map. In 2013, the world celebrated as the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Professor Peter Higgs, a British physicist who predicted the existence of the Higgs boson, a particle that holds the key to understanding the cosmos. This discovery, made possible by experiments at CERN, was a massive triumph for UK science. But fast forward to today, and the situation is a bit more complicated. The UK is considering pulling out of major upgrades to the Large Hadron Collider and reducing its involvement in international research collaborations. This move has sparked a heated debate about the value of blue sky research versus applied research. Blue sky research, like the kind that led to the Higgs boson discovery, seeks to understand the universe without immediate practical applications. On the other hand, applied research focuses on real-world implications and economic growth. Personally, I find this tension intriguing. Dr. Simon Williams, a theoretical physicist, argues that cutting blue sky research harms both scientists and businesses. He believes that the UK's scientific prowess is deeply rooted in this type of exploration. What many people don't realize is that these fundamental discoveries often lay the groundwork for future innovations. The electron, DNA structure, and the first computer were all results of blue sky research, and look at their impact now. The UK government has introduced a bucket system for funding, dividing resources between blue sky, government priorities, and business development. But here's the catch. The system might be diverting funds from blue sky research to applied research. This shift has caused a stir among scientists, with some feeling that the cuts are too drastic and rushed. The Science Minister and the head of UKRI deny any diversion, but the lack of transparency in accounting makes it hard to verify their claims. What this really suggests is a clash of priorities. Should the UK prioritize short-term economic gains or invest in fundamental research that may lead to groundbreaking discoveries? This is a delicate balance, and the consequences of getting it wrong could be severe. The proposed cuts could lead to British scientists being locked out of crucial international experiments, limiting their ability to contribute to our understanding of the universe. In my opinion, the UK's scientific community is at a crossroads. The country's rich history in blue sky research has paved the way for incredible advancements. But with these funding changes, there's a risk of losing that edge. The question remains, can the UK find a way to nurture curiosity-driven research while also supporting economic growth? It's a complex issue, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this delicate balance between scientific exploration and practical application.